Hi, I'm Liz and this is Ocean, and we're going to talk to you about the Beauty of Belonging retreat. We're going to give you the overall, what is this all about and why did we create it?
Yeah, so the beauty of belonging for us, I mean, essentially it was this conversation of in this culture, what does it mean to belong? And how do we welcome in all this dynamic, diverse expression and experience, and really just explore together.
Yeah, finding that space of belonging within ourselves. One of the ways we're going to explore that is starting our days with really yummy restorative yoga. So getting in touch with ourselves, hearing our own heartbeat, feeling our own body. You don't need to have any yoga experience. Really gentle, really loving.
Mm-hmm. And one of the other ways is really delicious food that we're going to be sharing together. So Tom Krall, nature chef, wild harvest, wild crafted, amazing, delicious food that will be nourishing our bodies together.
Yeah, and then staying in community, dance party. We're gonna have a big dance party the second night together. You get to move together, groove together, have a great time, laugh, play.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
And we'll also be incorporating sound meditation, sound journeys. So I'll bring in a lot of different instruments, and we are, of course, made up of sound and vibration. So it's a really gentle practice moving into your body.
Mm. And all of that happens at the Craidelonna Lodge. It is epic, epic location, beautiful, right on the ocean. You'll have ocean access, ocean views for the whole weekend, time in hot tub and sauna, just nourishing our bodies and really feeling good. Yeah.
Mm-hmm. So come check it out. I hope you'll be there with us. The Craidelonna Lodge Beauty of Belonging Retreat, March 24th to 26th. Click the link below. I'm really excited to have you there.